All right, so now it's time to fix the bugs, okay? Although I've never mentioned to you what a bug is in Python, let me just go ahead and mention that a bug in Python is an error or a mistake in a code that causes the program to behave unexpectedly. So now I want you to challenge yourself and go ahead and fix all the errors that are here, okay? So now pause the video, fix the errors, okay? And if you fix it, now let's go ahead and check the answers. So now I'm gonna load this, and now we have a problem, right? Unterminated string lateral. So it's telling me this string here is not terminated, okay? So I need to come here, and you can see they are not even the same, right? So now I'm gonna remove that, and now I'm gonna put that, and you can see here now it's perfect. So now I'm gonna come here and I'm going to load this. Remember what we say about variables, okay? A variable cannot start with a number. So we have a syntax error, invalid decimal literal, and actually is pointing to us where the error is. So a variable cannot start with a number. So we remove the 2 here, okay, and this 2 here, and now we are good to go. Also another one here, okay. Now let me load this again. We have a type error, can only concatenate string, not int, okay. So now you can see we are trying to add a string and an integer, right? So how can we solve this problem? We need to convert this string here to an integer, okay. So if we want, we can come here and type int, bracket open here, and bracket close now. And now if we load it now, we do not have a problem. So now we can even go ahead and print it out, print bracket open, bracket close, new underscore age. Okay, so this is super important to note. Okay, 35 now. Okay, I'm gonna load this. Now we have a problem. It's telling me incomplete input. So you can see it's pointing me to the direction here. So you can see the print here. We have a bracket open, but we don't have a bracket close. So that is the problem. So we need to close the bracket. Okay, and now here we are.